Hi guys, I hope you guys know what we are here for. Um, are your colors and pencils ready? So, what are we going to draw first is the face. Okay, a little smaller, but we have to draw a shape like this. Join it. It's a small rectangle, and then we have two more rectangles over here. Just two parallel lines like this. He has quite short legs. Now he's wearing socks. So divide the legs in half. Okay, like this. There are some wrinkles on his socks. Okay, so I have made these lines irregular, not straight line. These lines for the socks are not straight, they are irregular. And double line for the sole. Make shoelaces just around here and one more round. So I am just drawing a bow over here. A simple bow for the shoelaces. This line maybe. Okay, and one just ending right here. Close it here. Make double lines. We'll draw a small gift here. Just a square. Draw his hand that is here. Just a small circle. Now draw a small circle for his hand over here. Very small. His ears are very small. The biggest part in his body is his face. Okay. Now adding some details to his hair. What we'll do is the guideline that you draw for his hair, you just have to make these zigzags at some places. Okay, these are all same pattern, same zigzags. Okay, so next we'll add detail to this present he has. Draw two parallel lines like this, adding a little bow over here. Draw a square like this. And a bow here. I hope you guys all know what's a bow. So for the balloon, first draw the thread for the balloons. Now I'll draw the balloons. We'll make the eyes and nose for this guy, this lippy guy. Draw For eyes, just two small little circles like this. Okay, now draw a little nose for this guy like this, and add a few lines for his eyebrow like this here, and one here. And he has a very cute little smile, very little curve like this. And I'm drawing just a little detail here. Now add some lines to his t-shirt. Add just these tiny lines on his ears. See what I've done. For those who don't have, it's okay. And for those who have, uh, we'll start outlining it. Okay, so first I'll begin with the lightest color. Okay, so I have these colors over here, my pencil colors. So I'll take this skin color. If you guys don't have a skin color in your set, so what you can do is take a brown. Okay, take a brown and color it with a very, very, very light shade. Okay, like this. First, the face. I'm using the same color over here. See where I'm coloring in his hair. So, the spaces that I left here in his hair, I color it with brown. If you were if you were using the light brown color for his skin, then I'll request you to, increase a little pressure, not so much that it breaks your pencil's nib, but just a little bit more than what you did for the skin. So, like this. Just a little darker lines. Just draw lines, okay? You don't need to color. A nice sharpened black, okay? Like this. And over here. You see what I'm doing here? Just draw lines, okay? Now I'll take a light green color, okay? Lighter one. Again, I'm taking a light blue color. Okay. Now, color his sleeve. Now I'll use the same for his shoes. I'll start with the outlines, okay? See what I'm doing. What I did is I kept the center space blank, and with very little hand, very light pressure, very little pressure, I colored. So I have this kind of shade here. Okay, so you guys also try. First, make the follow the outline. Okay, keep the center blank. Then, with very little pressure, fill the color. You guys see this? I've used just one color, and the outlines are darker, and the inside is little light. Now going for the balloons, I'll start with this one. Now going for a light purple. Now I'm taking pink or red maybe. Now going for the present. Very carefully you have to do it. So what I'll do is I'll take this brown and go over the edges of his face, to make the shadow that falls on his face. Very light hand, okay? Very, very little pressure. Can you even see what I'm doing here? Just for the shadow. Very little pressure. With a very light hand you have to do this, okay? See. Just on the edges, okay? And a little over his nose. A little next to this eye. Okay. See what's happening here? It defines this face a little. So you have a nice shading over here. And to have those rosy cheeks, I'll take this red or maybe pink you can take if you like. So I'll just, with a very light hand, I'll draw these. I'll color it in circles, okay? Very lightly over his. So now his eyes look a little bit scary, don't you think? His eyes look scary, right? So what I'll do is I'll take my black pen only with which I outlined it, and don't just color it, okay? Wait for me. See, these are the eyes. So what I'm going to do is draw a small circle here in his eye and color the outer part of this circle. See this? There's a little white inside it. Similarly, for the eyes, I'll leave a little white circle inside. So now the eyes look very cute, doesn't it? So these are very simple tricks for, using pencil colors and shading and adding that little glow to your face or any portrait that you make, any sketch that you make. And I'm leaving the socks white because I like them like that. You can add little. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, bye everybody.